How to sell a used mechanical maize planter. When it comes to selling a used mechanical maize planter, the best place to do this is on AgriMag. It's advised that as much information is given as possible about the unit being sold, and information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping you to sell your machine. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, model, price, hours of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale of the unit, provide information regarding its past working life, detail its current working condition with reference to the planter's capacity, the functionality of the drawbar, the hitching system, the condition of the seed bins, tires and tread for wear and tear, the frame for any rust or damage, the various mechanisms of the planter, and finally, detail the general condition of the unit. Providing this information to a potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying decision. It will also make for an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your farm equipment, trucks, and machinery on AgriMag. Visit agrimag.co.za, South Africa's leading digital farming and agricultural marketplace.